The ProShares Ultra Russell 2000, UWM, is an exchange-traded fund, ETF, that aims to provide investors with a way to gain exposure to the small-cap segment of the U.S. stock market, as represented by the Russell 2000 Index. The Russell 2000 Index is a market capitalization-weighted index that measures the performance of the 2,000 smallest publicly traded companies in the United States. Small-cap stocks are considered riskier than large-cap stocks, but they also offer the potential for higher returns. UWM seeks to provide investors with 2x the daily performance of the Russell 2000 Index. This means that if the index rises by 1% on a given day, UWM is designed to rise by 2% on that day. Conversely, if the index falls by 1% on a given day, UWM is designed to fall by 2% on that day. UWM is a leveraged ETF, which means that it uses financial derivatives and other instruments to amplify the returns of the underlying index. Leveraged ETFs are designed for short-term traders and are not suitable for long-term investors. Investors should be aware that the compounding effect of daily rebalancing can cause the performance of a leveraged ETF to deviate from its intended multiple of the underlying index over longer periods of time. In addition, leveraged ETFs are more volatile than traditional ETFs and are subject to significant fluctuations in value, even over short periods of time. Despite these risks, UWM can be an attractive investment option for traders and investors who are looking to take advantage of short-term movements in the small-cap segment of the U.S. stock market. The ETF provides a convenient and efficient way to gain exposure to the Russell 2000 Index and its underlying small-cap stocks. In terms of expenses, UWM has an expense ratio of 0.92%, which is relatively high compared to other ETFs. However, investors should keep in mind that the expense ratio is just one of many factors to consider when evaluating an investment. In conclusion, the ProShares Ultra Russell 2000, UWM, is an ETF that provides investors with a leveraged exposure to the small-cap segment of the U.S. stock market, as represented by the Russell 2000 Index. Despite its risks, UWM can be an attractive investment option for traders and investors who are looking to take advantage of short-term movements in the small-cap segment of the U.S. stock market. As with any investment, investors should carefully consider their risk tolerance, investment objectives, and overall financial situation before investing in UWM or any other ETF.